Hi there, Robin here, and in this video we are going to be talking about the PLMR62. This is a 6.5-inch two-way marine speaker. That means it's got a tweeter and a woofer in it, and it's really nice to listen to. Amazingly enough, you are going to get exactly what you're paying for and then some, because the price is so good. We do definitely have to use the word and then some. With this, you do get, like I said, a tweeter and a woofer. You are going to get a speaker that's in a plastic case, perfect for a boat. Anything that's going to get sun on it, it really should be UV coated, which is what's going on right here. I really like using these speakers on head units. So if you got a head unit anywhere between 45 to 75 watts per channel, this is a great speaker to put with it. It's not my first choice when it comes to anything with amplifiers. Off of the actual head unit, I probably get something a little bit more powerful, but this speaker off the head unit is going to make your radio sound awesome. Now, again, like I was saying, it's all plastic molding. There's a couple of extra things when it comes to protecting it as a marine speaker. One, the actual coating that they apply to the actual copper wires that connect the speaker driver to the terminals. They've all been coated, so this way they don't oxidize over time. There's also a mineral spirit covering the actual, it's very hard to see, but back here, there's a diaphragm that protects the actual magnet and all the inner workings of the speaker. That's there, so this way air can travel through it, but we're not going to have any moisture really getting in there. So you're going to get good life out of the actual speaker. And for the sound quality, absolutely amazing. They really get, energized quickly. So they produce sound really fast. It takes a very little amount of current off of your head unit to make them sound good. And they're going to drive off the head unit really, really well. Now, of course, you do get a pair. So here's the second one. I've already taken the plastic bags off it because it does make an awful lot of rustly noise with it. What I'm showing you when I open up the second one is not necessarily the driver because, well, you do get a pair. So, yes, you are going to get two. You are going to get some foam rings, which are going to help dampen the sound. So there's one for each speaker. The other thing is the actual cardboard itself. This is perfect for a template. If you need a template, this sizes up really, really nice against that. Because remember, yes, it is a 6.5-inch and it's from screw to screw. So if you're measuring your cut inside, we're going to give you that number in a moment. And that's kind of real important. So your cutout is going to be, and it looks like, so I'm going from the 1 inch, and it's just a little more than 5 inches. It's going to be about 5 1/8 for a cutout. Now you can check what you have on the boat. If it's anywhere between 5 and 5 1/4, you should be able to get the speaker to fit. Now, if the cutout that you have is a little small, you can always use a rasp to open it up a little bit. Now, for the wires that come included, that's these guys here. Now, they are free wires. There are brands out there who don't give you any wires. These wires are pre-done with the spade connectors on them, so it makes it easy to use. If you don't have the ability to replace these guys, which is fine, use 6 inches. Now remember, the long run should be 14 gauge wire, which would be really good, but you do have to make the connection here. And remember, these are probably, and this is standard for most brands, this is probably around 22 gauge going on back here. So I don't have a problem saying, you know what, grab 6 inches of this, use this to make your actual final connection. That's fine. You carry the big load down to the speaker, then you transfer over. That's okay. I mean, I know a lot of people critique that, but I don't have a problem with that. That works out perfectly fine. Again, we're running these off of our head units. So outside of that, there's not a lot of negative here, except if you're buying this to put on a really big amplifier. Don't get confused by the actual wattage on the box. Yes, it does say 200 watts, but it does say peak. So I'm going to run this on head units and be really happy to put this on anything that's between 25 to 75, the average being 40-50 watts per channel. That is a great way to run these. You can certainly have 4 of these. You can upgrade and add to whatever you want. And that's pretty much it. Remember, all plastic casing, foam pad to dampen it, nickel plated screws so this way it doesn't oxidize. It's going to look nice when you put it in. It's going to look nice years down the road. And that's pretty much it. It's a great set of speakers. That's all I can pretty much say. The value and the price point, just icing on the cake when it comes to buying a set of speakers like this. I know a whole bunch of you people out there are wondering, what do they sound like? Why didn't he play them? To be honest, you'd probably watching this on your phone anyway, so me playing it really is irrelevant. I can tell you that we've been working with these speakers for over 5-6 years now, and we've had nothing but great things to do with these speakers. The manufacturers do have good warranties on them. They do come in a 1 year, but normally you get them out of the box, they're going to work just fine, and as long as you take care of them, they'll take care of you. That pretty much wraps everything up, so I want to say thanks for watching, thanks for taking the time. Bye for now.